to be friends with me? Please?
But with a squawk and a swoosh, the bird flew off down the track.
Come back, Mr. Bird!
But the bird didn't come back. He flew off high over the sparkling sea.
But I can't follow you over the sea, Mr. Bird.
Percy was sad.
Mr. Bird doesn't want to be my friend. None of the animals want to be my friend.
Just then, the tracks trembled and the air filled with a mighty roar.
Bust my buffers!
Out of my way! Express coming through!
Percy rattled from funnel to footplate as Gordon thundered past. Percy opened his eyes. Thomas puffed up.
Hello, Percy. You look scared. What happened?
Gordon scared me.
I'm sure Gordon didn't mean to, Percy.
I know, Thomas. Gordon is a big engine, and I'm little. Big noisy things can scare little quiet things.
This made Percy think.
The rabbit and the squirrels and the bird. They are much littler than me, and they are quiet.
Then an idea bubbled in Percy's boiler.
I must go. Goodbye, Thomas.
Percy puffed back the way he came. And there, on the track, he saw Mr. Bird again. But this time, Percy gently applied his brakes. He chuffed as slowly and quietly as he could.
Hello, Mr. Bird. I'm very sorry I was so loud earlier. I didn't want to scare you.
The bird looked at Percy. Then he flew up onto Percy's buffer.
Do you want to go for a ride, little bird?
Percy and Mr. Bird puffed gently on. Next, Percy saw the pair of squirrels. He gently applied his brakes and chuffed as slowly and quietly as he could.
Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Squirrel. I'm very sorry I was so loud earlier. I didn't want to scare you.
The squirrels jumped up onto Percy's buffer.
All aboard!
And Percy, the two squirrels, and Mr. Bird puffed quietly back through the woods. Then Percy saw the rabbit. He chuffed up very quietly.
Hello, Mr. Rabbit. I'm very sorry I was so loud earlier.
Mr. Rabbit looked at Percy. Then he hopped up onto Percy's buffer, next to Mr. and Mrs. Squirrel.
Hold tight, everyone.
And Percy, Mr. Rabbit, the two squirrels, and Mr. Bird puffed gently along the track. At Tidmouth, all the other engines were back in their sheds.
Where is Percy? It's late!
Quiet, everyone. Here I am.
The other engines were surprised.
Percy? Who are all these animals?
Percy's firebox fizzled with pride.
Everyone, meet my new friends.